The worldwide success of My Love Will Make You Disappear, are there any upcoming projects of films or any teleserye or another movie? Parang yan ang exciting ng lahat, di ba? This is so exciting na malaman namin that you have upcoming for sure.
Hindi nga pwede.
Gusto niyo ba?
Yun lang. Yung totoo, gusto niyo pa ba? Malalaman sa takdang pala. Hindi pala, Big Brother pala. Pero we're very thankful and we're very overwhelmed sa support na natatanggap namin. Nababasa namin siya sa social media and with the success of this movie. So, sobra kami talagang nagpapasalamat na on our 30s, may love team movie pa kami. So, maraming salamat. Marami pang kaming na-inspire at napapakilig. So, natutuwa naman ako.
Sana naman, I'm sure as long as may demand, mangyayari at mangyayari. So, kapag may nagda-demand pa or may gusto pa na magkaroon kami ng proyekto magkasama, I'm sure may